Hello friends, now we are going to start with the topic Vision and Values of the Indian Constitution. The framers of India's Constitution had the vision of a rapidly progressing India. To realize this vision, they set forth certain values in our Constitution. These values are stated in the preamble. The preamble states the ideas that the nation should follow. The Constitution is the supreme document of the country and the people had the ultimate power. India is a sovereign country. That means our country has the right to take its own decisions in all matters, internal and external. India's constitution upholds the ideal of socialism. That means every citizens have equal opportunities to use the country's resources. Secular. India is a secular country in which all religions are treated equally. There is no state religion. State religion means a sovereign and organized group of people who live within a country and are governed by one government. India is a democratic country. People of India participate in governance through representatives and can change the government if not satisfied with it. India is a republic country in which President, who is the elected head of the state, serves for a fixed term and his office is not hereditary. Justice. Constitution ensures economic and social justice by reducing inequalities of wealth and social status. The Constitution allows reservation for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes for jobs, educational institutions, etc. Our constitution also promotes liberty, equality and fraternity. Liberty. The citizens of India are free to express their opinions, follow their own beliefs, choose their own professions, etc. Equality. All citizens of different regions, the rich and the poor, men and women are all entitled to equal rights and opportunities. Fraternity. Within the country, a large number of groups having different cultures, traditions and languages live together. So, the Constitution promotes fraternity to strengthen the unity and integrity of the nation. This can be done by removing caste discrimination, untouchability, etc. The preamble is important because it reflects the vision and the aims of the India's constitution. It states the goals before the nation and thus guides the policy makers.